Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7, frequency distribution tables and graphs. In that exercise 7.1, first question, the question is given here: find the arithmetic mean of the sales per day in a fair price shop in a week is given like this. Rupees 10,000, rupees 10,250, rupees 10,790, rupees 9,865, rupees 15,350, rupees 10,110. The given like this. Now I am going to find the arithmetic mean of this raw data. Okay, we know this is the given observation. What are the given observations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the given data. Okay, now these are called what? Observations. We know arithmetic mean. Arithmetic sum of all observations. Sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay, means symbolically we can write x bar is equals to sigma xi by n. Okay, now sum of all observations means we can add all. వీటన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేయాలి. What none that is? X bar is equals to mean x bar is equals to sum of all observations, means you just add 10,000 plus 10,250 plus 10,790 plus mean x bar 9,850 plus 15,350. Okay, 9,865 plus 15,350 plus 10,110. So sum of all observations means అన్ని observations ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? By number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what I am doing, I am going to adding అన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. So simply you take like this: 10,000, 10,250, 10,790, 9,865, 15,350, 10,110. Okay, డేటాని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ హియర్ 5, 9 plus 5 plus 5 10, 9 plus 16 అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ 25 వస్తుంది. 25 plus 1 26, 5 plus 5 10, 9 plus 1 10, 26 ఇక్కడ 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 8 19, 19 plus 3 22, 22 plus 1 23, 3 here 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 5 16, ఇక్కడ 6, ఇక్కడ 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we get what nana? 66,000. mean x bar is equals to 66,365 by 6 will come. Okay, now I am going to cancel it by doing actual division. 66,365. Okay, 6 11s are, we get 66. 6 11s are 66. Okay, what is the next number, Nana? Minus cheste manaku ikkada 0 vastundi. Next number is 3. 6 zeros are 0 will come, we get 3 here. Okay students, 6 11s are 66. 66 minus 66 అంటే 0 వస్తుంది. Next carry down the number 3. 6 zeros are 0, then 3 minus 0 means we get 3 only. Then carry down number 6. 6 6 are 36, we get 0 here. Then carry down number 5. Okay, now you take here point, then after take here 0. Okay, 6 8s are 48 will come, minus means 2, point means you take 0. 6 3s are 18, again you get what, Nana? 2. So it will continue like this. So we can consider here 6 1s are 6, 1106.83. So what is the required mean? Arithmetic mean x bar is equals to, we get what, Nana? 1106.83. So this is the required answer for the question. Okay, okay students, now question number 3. The question is given here, mean of 8 observations is 25. What, Nana? Mean of 8 observations is 25 if one observation 11 is excluded. What, Nana? Excluded. Included means what, ra? Included అంటే మనం యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా? అదే excluded means what, Nana? Subtract చేస్తాం. ఓకే, find the mean of the remaining. Find the mean of the remaining. Okay, so I'm writing the given data here. Given that the mean of 8 observations, the mean of, ikkada words lo ichchadu, this is what, Nana? 8. The mean of 8 observations is equals to 25. Means I'm writing sum of 8 observations. Sum of 8 observations is equals to, that is what, Nana? 8 into 25. Okay, so 8 2s are 16 అంటే 160 వస్తుంది. 8 5s are 40, means we get what, Nana? 200. Clearly given the mean of 8 observations is equals to 25. Then what I am writing here, sum of 8 observations is equals to 200. But according to the given question, one observation 11 is excluded. One observation 11 is excluded. ఓకే, మీన్స్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఈ టోటల్లో నుంచి, ఓకేనా, సమ్ ఆఫ్ 8 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్లో నుంచి ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ని మనం మైనస్ చేయాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్? దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ రా? 11. అంటే మనకి రిమైనింగ్ ఒకటి మైనస్ అయిపోతుంది. అంటే ఈ 8 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్లో ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 7 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఎస్, నౌ ద రిమైనింగ్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ 7 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్, the sum of 7 observations, the sum of 7 observations is equals to, that is 200 minus 11. 200 minus 11 means what, Nana? 200 minus 11 ante we get 189 will come. 189. So this is what, Nana? The sum of 7 observations is equals to 189. Because of one observation 11 is excluded. కాబట్టి ఈ టోటల్ సమ్ లో నుంచి 11 ని మైనస్ చేస్తున్నాను, అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ 8 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ లో నుంచి ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ మైనస్ అయిపోతుంది, కాబట్టి we taken it as a 7. Now coming to the question, find the mean of the remaining. Okay, what is the mean formula? The mean formula is what, Nana? Mean is equals to sum of all observations by number of observations. Okay, now we know mean x bar is equals to sum of all observations అంటే సింబాలికల్లీ xi. దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సింబాలికల్లీ మీన్ x bar is equals to sigma xi by n. Now coming to the question, mean is equals to sum of all observations means what, Nana? We get that is 189 by number of observations means what, Nana? 7. By doing actual division, 189. 7 2s are 14, minus చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ 9. ఓకేనా? 7 6 are 42, మైనస్ చేస్తే 7 వస్తుంది. పాయింట్ మీన్స్ 0. ఓకే, సారీ, మైనస్ చేస్తే సారీ 7 7 డైరెక్ట్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. సారీ చూడండి, 7 7 49. Okay, so we get what, Nana? 27. 7 1s are 7. 7 27s are what, Nana? That is 187. So we get mean x bar is equals to, that is what, Nana? 27. So this is the mean of the remaining data. Okay na? So this is the required solution for the question. Thank you.